Okay, so this is Camp Ocean. It is the youngest kids camp. This side is for the older kids, and then they have a desk in the middle, and on the other side is for the younger kids. So they have a big area for activities. They do have some screens with like PS5s or something over here, some sort of like video game things. And then this is the smaller kids. They have toys. They have a big area for playing. Nice big windows, which is really cool. They do have separate bathrooms for the little kids and the big kids. And then over on this side, they have some really cute little like kitchens and like construction areas and stuff. So it's a smaller ship, so smaller kids clubs. Circle C is the club for the 12 to 14-year-olds. They have their own space, their own everything, own counselors. They do lots of activities in here. Places for games, places for watching movies, places for playing video games, and just generally hanging out and relaxing. Again, none of the clubs on this ship are going to be very big just because it is not as big of a ship as, say, like the Carnival Panorama. The cool thing about all of the kids clubs is that they have something going on basically all of the time. So they'll have an itinerary that they'll send out every day for each of the different groups, and you can just choose what you want to go to and what you don't want to go to. Club O2 is for the teenagers. It is definitely got a different vibe than like the tweens club or the kids club. There are activities to do in here. Again, their own counselors. They've got video game consoles and games to play, places to watch movies, and places to just pretty much just relax. I believe they also like sometimes have dances and parties in here. So that's basically it for the kids clubs on the Carnival Radiance. Stay tuned because there'll be more Radiance videos coming very soon. Please subscribe if you like this video, and we will catch you in the next one.